Hello again, and welcome to update number 5. Got first area. Nothing's changed in here, other than opening up all the way to the back, where I've got things in development. Yeah, I added this outside area here so that the students would stop saying that the game, that the teaching tool is like the start of a horror game, because they were kind of scared of the corridor. So yeah, I added in level streaming. See if they pop out back in. I added level streaming to make sure that I don't have too much getting loaded in at once. I'm gonna add corridors at some point to make it so that you don't see it pop in. But everything I've got the 80 bag process, the pseudo 80 bag process over there. So, got that. Nothing else has really changed this area. And being opened up again. This area has been changed around a bit just to make room for our secret libraries. This actually works out a lot better now with the fact of once all the arrows get going all the way up, you'll see that between each part, the winds go from this area to this area, circle around, go there, and then go here, and then circle up around, go over there, and there. It's an never-ending cycle, which is the 3-cell model in further detail. So actually works out really nice. So sea breeze and land breeze, as far as using the curve atlas port, and thanks for the suggestion there. I don't know your name right now, sorry. Nothing else has changed here. Let's see. Ooh, this has changed. So, what is this new? So I've got, so genesis analysis. So developing and dissipating of systems. This is low, and as it gets lower, more mass is being taken out, it gets stronger. So development of. And so I've got lower, and then now the olysis, the dying of, the dissipating of this load. As it gets higher and higher, it's going to get smaller and smaller, the L will get smaller, and it'll represent the text. And then you can slide it all the way over, and yeah. So. And then we've got this lovely part 2, anti-psycholysis. So as it gets lower and lower, the age gets smaller, and then the age will get larger, smaller, and larger, and the word will change. So, I haven't really done anything with this to make it better, like optimized to where it's actually really accurate. I haven't done anything with this either. I'll do something with it. But other things were more important to get done. Got this. So we've got the La Nina, neutral, and El Nino. This is the El Nino Southern Oscillation. And so the big arrow here, I haven't completely finished this and add some arrow and do some other stuff, make it pretty, but I just wanted to do a quick update for this weekend. It serves their purpose for now, I think, kind of. So we've got the trade winds blow stronger, and so that blows all of the water towards the western Pacific Ocean, and that raises up the water level of the western Pacific Ocean. And then we end up having storms that develop over Asia, and the water is warmer on this side because of all the warm surface water being pushed this way. And when the La Nina is not as strong, everything balances out more, and then we end up having storms over the Western Pacific Ocean, but not necessarily over land, it's more over water. And our waters balance out, as you can see. Then, when our winds lighten up even further, the trade winds are further lightened, um, we don't have as much water being blown over to the Western Pacific Ocean. So it's raised up on the right side, on the eastern side of the Pacific Ocean. And we have warmer waters on this side, and we don't have as much upwelling that's happening to this side of the Pacific Ocean, the eastern side of the Pacific Ocean. And then with all of this warm water here, we end up getting more thunderstorms developments in the central Pacific Ocean. So, fancy. Nothing's changed here. And the last thing I've got is, we had the previous example over there in the other room was sea breeze and land breeze. And with here, I just have a Boolean check mark to change the word lake to sea, or sea to lake, and vice versa. And then it also flips around the arrows in this material. So, really quick changes, all done in blueprints and materials. And then valley breeze, mountain breeze. Lovely. What do you think? A wonderful day.